Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this ultimate glow skin spray, skin mist, whatever you want to call it. This is amazing. It contains niacinamide, which is another name for that is vitamin B3. Really helps to brighten dull skin and even out the skin tone and reduce enlarged pores and do all that. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So you're gonna need some vegetable glycerin. This is food grade, so you can actually drink this if you need to. Some spray bottles. I just got this from Kmart. And aloe vera juice. This is 100% aloe vera juice. This is my niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. And then you would also need a scale and then a cup, which you're going to, a cup or a bowl, whatever works for you, which you're going to make the potion in. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first off, I'm going to measure out my aloe vera juice. I used 190 grams of aloe vera juice. You can replace this with distilled water or like rose water or any water you prefer. And now I'm going to add to that 7 grams of my niacinamide powder. And then I'm going to add 3 grams of glycerin. So glycerin is a humectant, so it helps the water to absorb into the skin better. I ended up adding some orange essential oil just for scent. You can add any essential oil of choice. This is completely optional, but it's nice for it to have a nice smell. Give it a good stir, and that's pretty much it. You're good to go. Just pour it into your bottle. So here's the end product, guys. Every time you're ready to use it, just give it a good shake and then spray it and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.